Hello, my dear students. Welcome in the computer science session with teacher Nariman. I hope you are fine and you enjoy your vacation. I miss you and I hope you miss me too. Now, let's start about our session today. We will talk today about Google Form. First, what is the online form? Let's find the definition about the form. An online form is a digital form you fill out from the website. If this is not written, this is a form you put your data online. And you have a question, I give you the question and you need to add this data, the answer. Maybe I need it will be a yes or no question. You make the mark on the box or drop down or typing or select some information. If I give you the question and you give me the answer. This is a way to how I can collect the information. If I have a big database and I need to collect information, I use the form. Like what? Like job application form. I need to collect information about you. What's your career? What's you about any sum you do before? But it will be a job application form or a school form registration or feedback. If I buy you for a product and I need to know your opinion about this product, I will make a feedback survey form and send it the link for you. It will be more easier to put your information on it. Or maybe online order. When you add something, you need to add your name, your address, your phone number. I will send you a form so I can collect your data and I can help the sender to for you to get your online order. Okay, then why I use this online form? Why it's important to know how I can collect this form? Because when you use the online form, it helps to collect the information quickly and accurately. It means if I have 30 persons and I need to name their names, their place, their phone, it will be more easier to take a paper and pen and ask everyone, or just I will send a link for you, all of you at the same time, and all of you will enter your data about your name, your phone number, your address. Now I get all your data maybe in 10 minutes. But if I choose to take a paper and write by my hand, maybe I have an hour. يبقى it's more quickly and accurately because everyone will edit his data so it will be more accurate. Why we using the online form? Because it's easy to fill. As we said now, if I need to collect data, it's not important how many the number, it will be more easier if I choose the online form. And it saves the time. No needed for the paper. The information it will be sent directly with the link. What else? It organize my data. It means when you save your data, when you collect the data from the people, it have this data on Excel sheet. And if you put it in paper, you need to write it again in a Word or in an Excel sheet so you can organize and save or analyze this data. If you use the Excel form, you can neglect this step. Just when anyone adds the data in the form, it automatically it will be go to the Excel sheet online, Excel sheet, so it will be saved and stored at the same time when you're adding your data. The fourth type, it will be reduce the mistake. What meaning it will be reduce the mistake? Reduce the mistake, it's meaning if you asking everyone what his name, maybe you write his name by the wrong way. It's not E, it's I. You put a number, background, the phone number, and so on. For now, let's just start to learn how I can create an email to start to go and create our form. At first, you need to open Google Chrome here and you write Gmail. يبقى now we go for the Gmail and you need to create account. يبقى create account from a Gmail account and click. He tell you here to set up your account, follow the step on the screen. Here you can show the screen from here. You need to follow the we will go to create account and let's do it here. يبقى create an account. From here, if you have the email, you will write here your email and go for the next and put your password. But if you don't have, you need to create an account and choose the first one. This is for my personal use. Then you can put your name here. I will put mine now. And your last name. And make next. You can choose the name, the date, the gender, and he will give you some assumption about which one you like it to be an email. Create whatever you like, or you can create your own Gmail address. Then go to next. He give you to enter your password. You enter a password, and remember, don't mess to have make confirm, write the same password again. And now you can go and make next. If you finish, now we finish, press next. It's not. Now it's the same. Go and press next. Now you can put here your phone number. You will have a message at your phone. You need to write it, and now your account will be ready. I make this step before, so I will go to my email now. يبقى now you will go, you will have your email. This is the tab or the window about your email. You have your name here, and you can see your account here. Teacher, okay, you create the account with the form. Wait a minute, can you see this square? This is Google Apps. This is called Google Apps. Go for the Google Apps and click here. Can you see you will find here the Gmail, the Drive. We talk about the Drive and go down. You'll have the purple icon, this one, and it's called Form. But this one, which one you need to click on it again. When it's open your email, go for Google Apps from here, this little square, and go found the purple icon. It's called Form. This one is the form. Go, click, and open it. This is the screen for the form. Now we will create the form. The first one, I create the email, then I go to create the form. Just to take a look, I will open this form for you so you know what step we will need to add. This is the header for any form we have. You can add your title, a photo, a theme, a color, and we see how. Here you add the name about your form and you choose the theme. We can change, of course, the color, the text. Here you can add the question you ask about. You can add the name, an email, an address, phone number, a comment, and if you have a yes or no question, if you put something about your favorite color, your favorite subject, you will try to add all these questions and see how we can work in this one. This is the question. We have here the question. After I have to add all these questions and if you finish, you need to make publish. يبقى here from the up you have here publish. It means when you finish to create something, it will be online, you add your data, you add the name for your form and the information, you need to make it publish. And of course, if you finish to publish this one, you have a copy. If you finish, you can click here and take a copy from the link we added from this form and send it to the people who you like to share the link with. This we have here the undo and redo. It means if you do anything or something by mistake, you need to change it, you need to delete that. If you type anything here from by the wrong way, you can make it undo, or if you deleted something by mistake, you can make it redo. And from here, we can, if you finish your form, from here you can see how it will be look like. Yani if you finish, when you send it, the form, how, if anyone open this one, how it will be the preview mode. And of course here it's a the custom themes, you can add it on your theme to change the text style, the header, the color, the background. Again, this is a sample. When you finish to create this information, as I tell you, why it's more easier? Because when I collect the data, it's all of my data at the same time. When someone try to adding the database, at the same time, it's cool for an Excel sheet. So it can be saved and sorted and analyzed at the same time. Teacher, I cannot see anything Excel sheet from here. I cannot see anything. Okay, Lucky, can you see the responses? This one. This one, if you share your form, you can see from here how many respond to your link, how many go and put your data in your link. 10, 20, 100, 1000, whatever. It's not numberless. You can share with any number of people. You can see from here the number for who shared this link and add the information. And if you click here for the sheet, you can see the link sheet clear. Just make create. يبقى now if when we click on this one, what happened here? You can see the names here, the time of submit, when he go and put his data, the time. Here you can see the name, the email, the address, the phone number, and the comment he left. Clear? I hope you get it. This is just an example how the form, like how I can bring the data from the form And now let's go to create our form. Yes, you create your own form. So let's start. As we said, let's start to create our form. Let's go back from here and we'll start our blank form. Look here, at the first you can find here the themes. Can you see here? Let's add the theme to our header. This is the header. Maybe you like to change the forms type. Can you see? When I try to change the text to change, you can choose anything you like from here. And you can change the size for the font. I pick this one and it will be school database. And about the question, the type of the question, what you need to like, change the font type and size too, and which the ticket you will enter the color. Can you see the color here is a purple? If you like to change the color, can you see it? The color for the background here. And from here you can add more color if you like. If again I start this one from the themes, I can change the text for the header, the question, the text you added here, and you can choose the color. Let's go for this one, the header photo. Can you see here any photo? No. So I can add a one. Yes, you can. Let's go and choose a photo. When you click to choose a photo, you'll find this one. You have here a themes photo, maybe work or school. We can pick anyone from here, like this one. See how it appeared here? And you can change the color. But I don't like this one. I need to find something in my device. If you need to add a photo and it's from your device, you need to use the upload one and make a browse. Now you can go for your device and choose any photo you like or you downloaded and take it and upload it here. Just make open, it will be uploaded. Or maybe I need to search about a photo, it's online. Then you need to go here. Let's go for the themes and pick a one. I will pick this one. So let's start to go for our data school database. It's for what? This information to collect data is for students. I can select this one and I can make it bold, italic, underline, clear. This is our first question. Again, how I make it, just click on the question. From this one, you need to choose the type of question. If you click on this small arrow, Teacher, how you take it? Let's make it again. This small arrow, just click on the small arrow and you can choose the type of question from its answer. What this mean? What you mean, teacher? This one, it mean you need to take an option and make a check on it. Yeah? But I need here to know your name. It's mean this is not a multiplication choice. What's the meaning of multiply choice? It means I give you choices like yes or no question, like what is the favorite fruit, and I put the fruit for you. What's the favorite subject? If I give you choices, but here I need the name, and the name is a short answer. If I will choose the short answer, I will leave you here to put your answer, and I will write here name. Now I finished the first question. I need to add one more. From here, add a question. Can you see this icon? Add a question. And let's make the second one. It's about your address. The address is what? It's not. It's yes, maybe it's a little bit long answer. So I will keep it as a long answer. Now I need you which grade? Yes. If I can make this one a multiplication, a multiply choice, if I will write here the grade. Then I give you the option. You are maybe grade 1 or I need to add more. If you are grade 2, add more, grade 3, until you and so on and add from here. Everyone I add more question and you can add more choices. If you finish, just go for the next one. Now you have the grade. From here you can add a drop down question. It means you will have a choices to clear or you can add the short answer like your email. From here, if you like to add a photo for your question, we know from here you can add any question. From this line, you can choose any type of question, maybe the rating the school. From here, you can choose this. You can rate it from 5 or 6 or 10. And you will put the star or heart or a like the like mark, whatever you like, the shape. You can choose the number for the rating and the shape from here. If you finish, before you finish, you can add the photo. As we said before, you can choose the photo uploaded if it was at your device, or you can search from Google. You can search from here, maybe you write school. To add a school photo like this one, click the photo and go to insert. You look here, you can adding a photo to your question. Here, until now, if you finish to create your form, just go and make it publish. As we said, when you make it publish, then you can have the link. From here, you click and copy your link and share it with your friends. If you make the publish for your form and you have the link and you have the response in your form, then you can go for the response here and see the result. You can see how many one respond to your form and add the data. You click here on the sheet and make create one. So you can find here, this is the name, the grade, the address, the email, and the rating for the school. You have an Excel sheet, you have all your data. Just you can click here at share, okay, and you can loading and download. Again, what's the meaning of reduce the mistake? It means it's just one try to collect the data for so many people, maybe 30, maybe 40, maybe 100. It will be more mistakes he put it. Maybe he put the wrong number in the telephone number. Maybe he will add the wrong address for another person. Maybe he adding the wrong name for the wrong address and the wrong phone. يبقى AI, it will be a huge mistake. But if I send the link for each one and each one enter his data, his phone number, his name, his address, it means I will reduce the mistake. Yes, I know. Maybe you put your numbers wrong, but at least I have the name and the address right. Get it? But if just one try to adding all the data for a huge number for people, for sure, it will be a huge mistake. So what just said? No, we still have more benefits for using the form. Like it will be better in communication. It means when I send this form to you now or a group, all of them at the same time they will add the information I will collect and then I can collect this information. So it will more easy if I use it at school, at companies, for the website, for the survey. It will make all the information I need to collect it. It will be more easier and smoothly to collect. And the last one, your information, it will be secure. It means if I collect this information on paper and I let the paper get through from a lot of people, and you put your personal information like your phone number, your address, if the second one maybe know your information. Yes, maybe you don't like to share your phone number. Now, if you put it at form, it means no one can go for your information until just who make the form. It means your information it will be secure and safe, and you can choose which one you can share your information with. So I have so many benefits for the form. Me speak, repeat it again. It's easy to fill, saves the time, it organizes the data as we said. It's easy to save, to store, to analyze, and I will reduce the mistake and better communicate. At least it's secure. Okay, teacher, how I can make the form? First part, you need to open the Chrome. What's the meaning of the Chrome? You know, this is the Chrome. Any app you have, maybe Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, you need to open the Chrome first. Then you will create an email. If you don't have an email, you need to create an email. Then you will create the form. And we will know all the steps together now. We will do it. We will go for the Chrome and we will try to create an email and create the form. After we created the form, we will try to know what are the steps I need to do to have this one and what type of the question I will have. You have so many types of question. It may be multiple question or short answer or checkbook answer or drop down. Multiple choice, you will give the choices and you will pick a one short answer, maybe like your name or your address. It will not be a multiple choice. It cannot be yes or no question. You need to put your name, maybe check box. It means I will give you some choices and for your choice you will pick a one. Or it's a drop down like I give you a list for some of choices and you will choose your answer. At least we will learn how I can add some theme, some color, some picture to my form, and how can I share my form and have the result from the Excel sheet. Now let's try and go to make the practical part for the Google form. As we said before, now you have all the details in the Excel sheet. You can have the names, the address, the grade, the email, and you can share it or download it from here. And for now, we finish. You have a task here. You can create a form about one topic, maybe your favorite school subject, healthy habits, class birthday survey, or sport and habits. Please make a form. Just choose one topic from this and make a form. Thank you. I hope I can see you soon. Don't forget to make your task. Thank you.